Magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, o magandang gabi sa inyong lahat, anumang oras na napanood ninyo ang video ito. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Matuto Dapat, sapagkat ang kaalaman ang isang pinakamagandang kayamanan. Ngayong araw ay atin pong pag-aralan ang equation of the line. Equation of straight line in a point-slope form is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. Equation of straight line in standard form is ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c are integers and x and y are variables. So yun po yung ating definitions ng ating equation of the straight line. Example 1. Turn negative 2/3 x plus 3/5 y equals 4 into standard form. So para masabi natin na standard form to siya, dapat ang atin pong coefficient in A is positive, no? Sa ating x, no? Yung atin pong ax, so dapat yung ating a is positive integers. Okay? And then gagawin natin para maging standard form to, dapat wala po siyang fraction. So ang unang natin gagawin is we have to find the less common multiple of 5 and 3. Okay? And as we calculated, ang less common multiple ng dalawang number, 3 and 5, is 15. So multiply 15 both sides of the equation. So 15 times negative 2/3 x plus 3/5 y equals 4. So you got, i-distribute natin sa 15, so nagiging negative 30 over 3x plus 45 over 5y equals 60. Okay? So 15 times 2, 30, 15 times 3, 45, 15 times 4, 60. And since 30 over 3 ay 10, so divide natin, and 45 over 5 is 9, at is ang 60. So negative 10x plus 9y equals 60. Since ang atin pong a is negative, so gagawin po natin siyang positive. Multiply po natin ng negative 1 both sides. Okay, so ayan po. Then ang maging output is 10x minus 9y equals negative 60. So ang ating standard form ay 10x minus 9y equals negative 60. So yun po yung ating answer. Example 2. Determine the equation of the line that passes through points 1, 5 and negative 2, negative 1. So ang given natin, we have point 1, 1, 5. X sub 1 natin is 1 and y sub 1 is 5. Point 2, negative 2, negative 1. Ang x sub 2 natin is negative 2 and y sub 2 is negative 1. So ang una natin gagawin is we have to find the slope. Alam natin sa atin pong video, ang slope ay m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 divided by x sub 2 minus x sub 1. O tinatawag nating rise over the run. Since ang y sub 2 natin ay negative 1 minus 5 sa ating y sub 1, ang x sub 2 natin ay negative 2 minus 1. So negative 1 minus 5 is negative 6. Tapos negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3. So negative 6 divided by negative 3 ay positive 2. The same sign kapag i-divide natin, so positive po yung sagot. No? So mayroon na tayong slope na 2. So natin gagawin, i-substitute natin doon sa formula, y equals m times the quantity x minus x sub 1 plus y sub 1. So at point 1, 1, 5, yun po yung ating point 1. So substitute natin yung value, yung atin pong given na point 1, tapos yung ating slope na 2. So y equals 2 times x minus 1 plus 5. Distribute natin si 2, so 2x minus 2 plus 5. So therefore, y equals 2x plus 3. So nakuha natin si positive 3 from negative 2 plus 5. since alam natin the law of adding unlike signs. So, find the difference. So, ang difference ng 2 and 5 is 3, and then carry the sign with greater value. Okay? So, ang ating equation of the line is y equals 2x plus 3. Now, if we will use point 2, okay, will we come up the same answer? Try natin. So, substitute lang natin, palitan po natin yung atin po sa equation natin. Instead ng x sub 1, gawin natin x sub 2. Tapos yung ating y sub 1 magiging y sub 2. So, at point 2 tayo, negative 2, negative 1. Substitute natin yung atin pong data. So, ang slope natin ay 2 times x minus negative 2 plus negative 1. So, negative times negative 2 ay positive 2. Kaya, times 2, that is 4. No? So, 2x times 2 times positive 2 sa loob na, okay, ay magiging positive 4. Then, minus 1. So, 4 minus 1 ay 3. So, you come up to y equals 2x plus 3. So, parehas lang ang kalabasan ng ating equation of the line. Okay? Example 3. Determine the equation of the line that passes through point negative 1, 6 with the slope of m equals 2/3 and write the answer in standard form. So, ang given natin, ang point natin, point 1 lang, isang point lang tayo, negative 1, 6. So, ang ating x sub 1 is negative 1, ang y sub 1 equals 6. Slope natin is 2/3. So, substitute natin doon sa ating formula, y equals m times x minus x sub 1 plus y sub 1. So, ang ating slope ay 2/3, no, at point 1. So, 2/3 times the quantity x minus x sub 1, ang x sub 1 natin is negative 1, plus the y sub 1 natin ay 6. Tapos, distribute natin ang 2/3. So, 2/3 x, tapos yung negative times negative 1, so maging positive 1. So, 2/3 times 1, so that is 2/3 plus 6. Ngayon, since 2/3 at saka 6 ay fraction yung 2/3, whole number yung 6. So, ang law po ng pag-add natin, fraction on the whole number. So, dapat si whole number i-convert natin into fraction form. So, para ma-fraction po natin, gagawin natin, kukuha po tayo ng less common denominator between 3 at saka 1. Since ang 6, mayroon po siyang 1 na denominator. So, ngayon, yung 1 na denominator dito sa 6, so yung 3, ang ating LCD, so 3 divided by 1. So, that is 3 times 6, so 18. So, 18 over 3. So, yan po yun. No? Y equals 2/3 x plus 2/3 plus 18 over 3. So, kung i-divide natin, ang 18 divide 3, 6 pa rin yun. No? So, now we can combine 2/3 plus 18 over 3. So, that is 20 over 3. Since naka-fraction form, so multiply natin ng 3 both side. So, magiging 3y. Tapos, 2/3 times 3, magiging 2 na lang kasi cancel si 3. Tapos, sa 20 over 3, 20 na lang. No? Tapos, sabi nga natin, kailangan i-standard form natin. So, standard form natin, so, lipat natin si 3y dito kay 2x, katabi kay 2x. So, maging negative 3y. Tapos, si 20, ilipat naman natin sa kabilang side of the equality. No? Doon sa kabilang side naman. So, kaya si 20 negative. So, 2x minus 3y equals negative 20. So, ang atin pong equation of the line in standard form is 2x minus 3y equals negative 20. Okay, so this is your activity. No? Sagutan nyo to. Pwede kayong mag-comment o submit na lang sa akin yung inyo pong sagot. Alright? Thank you for watching the video. I hope you learned. And don't forget to like and subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you. God bless.